Assalamalaikum everyone. Today I'm doing a brush calligraphy with some leftover paints. It's been a while since I have created a YouTube video. I was busy, somewhat lazy, had some other priorities, projects, a little bit of everything. But now I think I can spare some time for this platform once again and want to take the opportunity to first of all thank all my YouTube community, which is growing, alhamdulillah, even with a very little effort of mine, as just sharing shorts once in a while, but also utilizing this time and building a good relationship with all of my new subscribers, with some chit chat while I'm painting this. So I've just used the paint to create a gradient effect for the background. The color I'm using here is yellow ochre, brown, gold, black, and titanium white. I will use the brush to merge the colors and blend away any harsh lines, although one of the benefits of using the leftover colors is they're already somehow merged because of your previous work. As you might have noticed when I opened my paint box. The other thing that I do is I don't use palettes for the paints. They look very pretty and I really like the way it gives you an artistic vibe, but I don't really use it is because once you're done with your painting, all you can do is just wash off that color, and I don't like to waste anything. So what I do is I use a box, and if you're going to leave the color or the paint for more than 24 hours, you can use the spray bottles, to spray some water. It will give some extra moisture to the color, and they'll stay wet for a longer period of time. So I will let it dry for about half an hour and then use the rest of the color to do the calligraphy. Okay, so starting with the calligraphy, I'm using a flat brush size 3 with same colors, taking a different shade for each of my stroke, which is giving it a very nice gradient font effect. I will add some gold strokes in the brown once it's all dried. I'm very new to these YouTube videos and I would love to know what else you would like to learn in terms of calligraphy and painting. Also, if you have enjoyed the video so far, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and adding your comments in the comment section. So now I'm adding the final touches, and here is the final look.